Harry shocked. U.S. lawyer calls for Harry's expulsion from the U.S. after his impure past was exposed. In a shocking turn of events that has sent ripples through the media landscape, a prominent U.S. lawyer has publicly called for the expulsion of Prince Harry from the United States. The revelation of Harry's impure past has ignited a firestorm of controversy, compelling both supporters and critics to weigh in on the implications of such a drastic action. As the dust settles, one question looms large. What does this mean for the future of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, their lives in America, and their status within the royal family? But before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Prince Harry, once a beloved member of the British royal family, has undergone a remarkable transformation since stepping back from his royal duties in early 2020. Alongside his wife, Meghan Markle, he has sought to carve out a new life in California, engaging in various philanthropic endeavors and launching their media company, Archewell. However, as with any public figure, the past can be a double-edged sword, and recent allegations have resurfaced that could threaten his new life. The lawyer's accusations are rooted in Harry's past behaviors, which have been described as reckless and irresponsible. From his teenage years, where he was infamously photographed in a Nazi costume, to more recent revelations about substance use and unfiltered comments in interviews, critics argue that these actions contradict the values that America stands for. The lawyer's call for expulsion is based on the assertion that Harry's past behavior reflects a lack of respect for the values of citizenship and responsibility. To understand the gravity of the situation, it is essential to dissect the allegations against Harry. Many of the claims revolve around his youthful indiscretions, which have been well documented. For instance, the Nazi costume incident, which occurred during a party in 2005, remains a stain on his reputation. Although Harry has since apologized and expressed regret, some argue that such actions should not be easily dismissed. Additionally, his candid discussions about drug use, including his experiences with cannabis and psychedelics, have raised eyebrows. While advocates of mental health and personal growth may view this openness as a sign of progress, critics argue that it undermines Harry's credibility, particularly when advocating for social issues. The juxtaposition of his royal heritage with these alleged behaviors creates a complex narrative that many find difficult to reconcile. From a legal standpoint, the call for Harry's expulsion raises important questions about immigration laws and the criteria for deportation. In the U.S., deportation can occur for various reasons, including criminal behavior or actions deemed detrimental to public good. However, the legal threshold for expulsion is high, and it is unclear whether Harry's past actions would meet this standard. Many legal experts suggest that, while the lawyer's claims are provocative, they may lack the necessary legal foundation to enact such drastic measures. Harry is a legal resident of the U.S. and has not committed any crimes that would warrant deportation under current laws. This complexity underscores the difference between public sentiment and legal reality, highlighting the often sensational nature of media narratives. The public's response to the lawyer's call has been mixed. Supporters of Harry and Meghan argue that this targeting is a continuation of the relentless scrutiny they have faced since stepping back from royal duties. Many view the lawyer's comments as an attempt to undermine Harry's efforts to build a new life in America, suggesting that it reflects broader societal issues regarding race, privilege, and the treatment of public figures. Conversely, detractors see the call for expulsion as justified, emphasizing the importance of accountability. They argue that public figures should be held to a higher standard, particularly those with royal connections. This divide reveals the complexities of celebrity culture and the different expectations placed on individuals based on their backgrounds and public personas. This situation also highlights the significant role media plays in shaping public perception. The sensational nature of headlines like "Harry shocked" contributes to a narrative that often oversimplifies complex issues. The media's portrayal of Harry has oscillated between that of a victim and a villain, reflecting the public's fickle nature when it comes to celebrity culture. In an era where information spreads rapidly, the responsibility of the media to provide nuanced and fair reporting cannot be understated. The lawyer's call for expulsion, while dramatic, may serve more as a reflection of media sensationalism than an actual legal possibility.